Hey, what's up, Davs? I'm DV, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Uniden Bearcat SDS100. I've already opened it up and removed the invoice, so it's going to be just the initial unboxing experience. This is probably the most expensive scanner on the market, but it's also, from what I've heard, some people find it quality, others don't. So in the box, or inside the box, there's another box. This is the product box. Uniden Scanner TrueIQ MC le récepteur TrueIQ est conçu afin d'améliorer. Okay, I can't read French. Turn it around the other side. There it is. So TrueIQ scanner, designed for improved digital performance in simulcast areas, weather resistant. I'm going to get the box off here, or at least out of the way. Set that in there and hold it down. And user customizable LED or LCD display. So get into a better position here. Oh man, the ground's wet. I'm gonna open up the box best I can without damaging it. Here, hang on. I hate these stupid little tabs. All right, we open it up. There's a smaller cardboard package inside. Surprised they don't make it out of well, they probably don't make it out of styrofoam because it's better for the environment or something like that. So inside, some advertising material here. Uniden programming services. Little flyer here. Programming for 3 counties is $140. You can just do this yourself. Don't need that. PoliceScanner411.com. Visit the largest scanner collection in the world. The manual in English, manual in French if you live in Canada, primarily Quebec. Inside here we have the SDS100 with a little piece of cardboard floating around in it. SDS100 wrapped in plastic. It's got the screen cover protector on it. I'm gonna peel it off so that you guys can enjoy that ASMR. And there it is. The scanner is now worth $75 less. So there's the SDS100. Also in the box, you get looks like a mini USB cable. You get SMA to BNC adapter. Oh, I'm not even holding this in frame. You get I keep forgetting the camera's on this side. So you get a cable here, mini USB for charging. You get a SMA to BNC adapter. So if you want to plug in any of your old BNC antennas, you get a standard rubber duck. Oh, they changed the way the Bearcat symbol looks on the antenna. My 296 antenna doesn't look like that. But it is SMA, and it has a little rubber gasket. So here, this one is different. It's not like a BNC where you snap it on and then you turn it to lock it. This one you have to screw it in. Oh, it's like a screw being threaded. And I'd say they did a decent job with the thread matching. They could have turned it a little counterclockwise, but down tight, it's almost on point. And you need a Bearcat sticking out front, the way it's supposed to be. Also inside, you get the Uniden branded belt clip, and it's a spring loaded, and I think that just slips right on here like that, and it locks into place. Also inside, you get a power brick and a battery pack. Now, Sir Mix-a-Lot would be drooling over this battery case here. How do you take this off? Does it just come off, or do you have to how do you do this? I don't want to break it. Oh, Jesus Christ, that is hard to take off. Open her up. There's a little SD card inside. Oh, that's cool. It pops out like that, so you can just take it out. How many gigabytes? 8 gigabyte SD card included. That's kind of cool. Well, until you accidentally touch all them contacts and break them. Okay, well that's cool. And this guy goes in like that, and then you put the battery cover over it, latch her down. Okay, we're gonna power her on for the first time. Now that's gonna be hard to see. It says copyright 2018. Welcome to the SDS100. Set the clock. Set daylight savings. Yes, we're on daylight savings. We're 6 years behind, or 6 hours behind Greenwich Mean Time. We're in Central Time here in Wisconsin. It's 2023. It is April 27th. It's 13:05. Scan mode, nothing to scan. So we're gonna, this is the first thing you'll see is scan mode, nothing to scan. When you open it up, you're gonna press zip services. This is easy. This is like the easy fast programming. We're gonna see how good it is compared to my programming, because I'm gonna program it myself after this. We're gonna reformat the SD card, and I'm gonna program it myself. USA, enter zip code 54546. Processing, please wait. Now loading full database, Michigan. Is it gonna automatically throw the MPSCS in there? Wisconsin. Nationwide. So we're gonna see how good the zip services programming is, and I'll probably have to go inside. Oh, there goes a piece of plastic. Hang on, let me go get that. That's doing its thing. Should have brought my Pro 96 with me. Okay, so it's on Wiscom. Oh, MPSCS, National Interoperability, Michigan's Public Safety Communication System. Okay, well it did throw the MPSCS in there. That's nice. Bayfield, Washburn, Ironwood. Site only. Okay, so okay, that's pretty cool. So let's see what we got for conventional. So it put Sawyer County in there. Iron County, Bayfield County, Ashland County, no Price County. At least not from what I'm seeing. Medcom, Ashland. Okay, let's see what it did for Ashland County. Channel. Fire, Forestry, Highway, Sheriff. The database is old. It's been updated since then. Jail, Tactical, Fireground, City of Ashland, Bad River Band of Lake Superior, Chippewa Indians, Public Works, LaPointe, Ham Radio. Okay, so I guess it just put everything in there. Okay, that's kind of nice. So if we take it off the thing, we'll see if what's our. Okay, so it seems like Sculpture level 2 is what we're gonna have to go. With. Okay. So it's ID scanning everything. Okay. Well, I will go inside and I will program it then. And yeah, but so I don't think it's very active right now, but yeah, it's pretty nice, I'd say. Zip services, it works. Okay, it works. It may not be great, but it does work. It does give you a quick starting point in there. Oh, and also one thing I forgot to mention, it comes with the strap. All right, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and you'd like to see more like it, hit the subscribe button. Maybe give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And yeah, thank you for joining me on this look at the SDS100. See you later.